Welcome back. Martin here with you. Today we're going to do some shooting. It's really windy out there today, so I'm not going to blow a bunch of my good ammo. So I'm going to just take Budget Bob here, my Ruger 1022. We're going to use this $4 ammo, just CCI, standard velocity. And we're going to take this thing out and we're going to shoot, just have some fun shooting. So the way I'm going to score this, the animals, the ducks and the pigs, are going to be 6.6 points. If I hit the bullseye at all, it's 6.6. If I hit in the white, it's going to be 3.3. My bonus, these stars down here, are going to be my bonus stars. If I break the white on any of them, I'm going to give myself 10 points. So total possible points here is going to be 120. Like I said, it's real windy out there, and we're just going to go have some fun, and I'll be back with the target and see how I did. Thank you. Alright everybody, I'm back. So the first pig, 6.6 points. Second pig, 6.6. Third pig, 6.6. Let's move on down to the targets. Yeah, I broke the blue. 6.6, 6.6, 6.6, 3.3, 3.3. Wind was left to right. I mean right to left. Let's go check out the ducks. Alright, got that one, 6.6. Wind really got a hold of that one. No points. 6.6, 6.6. And then we got the bigger one, 6.6, 6.6, 6.6. Now let's go down to the bonus. Barely missed that one. Broke the white on that one. So that's 10 points. So my total score for today was 101.5. Not too bad. It was fun shooting it anyway. So thanks. Until next time. See you later.